Are you still spending hours editing videos manually, trying to piece together the perfect content? What if I told you those days are over? Because today, I'm going to show you 3 game-changing AI video tools that are literally saying goodbye to traditional video editing. These tools take your ideas, your scripts, even just a few lines of text, and turn them into polished, engaging videos. No filming, no complicated timelines, no endless exports. Just plug and play. So if you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or business owner who wants to create high-converting videos faster than ever before, make sure you stick around because you're about to save yourself a ton of time. Let's kick things off with Syllaby. This tool is like having your own AI video team on standby 24/7. Here's how it works. You start with just a piece of text, your script, a blog post, product description, anything. Syllaby takes that text and generates a full video using customizable AI avatars. These avatars look clean and professional and are perfect for faceless videos if you don't want to be on camera. Need a voiceover? Done. Syllaby offers voiceovers in multiple languages, so whether you're targeting English, Spanish, or even niche global markets, you're covered. And here's the best part, you can create your own AI avatar. That means you can build a digital version of yourself that handles your content for you. No need to reshoot every time you want to tweak a line or update a product message. Just go back, make the change in your script, and boom, your avatar regenerates the new version. It also integrates with tools like LMS platforms and authoring tools, so if you're creating training content or educational videos, it plugs right into your existing systems. You can check it out at syllaby.io. Next up, InVideo AI. And if you've ever wanted an AI editor that feels like it's reading your mind, this is the one. InVideo lets you generate videos instantly from text input, kind of like ChatGPT, but instead of getting a blog post, you get a full video. You write your message, hit generate, and InVideo builds the visuals, adds transitions, drops in background music, and gives you an editable project you can tweak using their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. But here's what makes it powerful. It includes a massive library of stock media. So instead of hunting through free sites or paying for clips, you've got everything you need in one place. Even better, you can edit the video just by describing what you want, like, make this clip faster, or add text at the top. It understands natural language commands, which means you don't need to be a video editor to get pro-level results. It supports a bunch of formats and styles, whether you're making a YouTube short, an explainer video, or a full-length webinar. Go try it at InVideo.io. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to check the link in the description. Now let's talk about a tool that's changing the game in professional-grade editing, Runway ML. This one is built for creators who want the power of high-end editing, but without the complexity. Runway's core strength is AI-powered editing features. We're talking advanced stuff like background removal without a green screen, motion tracking, and style transfer, all handled by machine learning models in just a few clicks. One of my favorite features? Text-to-video generation. That means you literally type a description like a drone shot of a mountain at sunrise, and Runway will create a clip from scratch. It's wild. And for teams, Runway has collaboration tools baked in, so you and your editors, clients, or content partners can all work on the same project in real time. If you're into visual storytelling or want cinematic effects without After Effects, Runway is your new best friend. Check them out at runwayml.com. So let's recap real quick. Syllaby gives you AI avatars and multilingual voiceovers with the ability to create your own clone, perfect for faceless content and training videos. InVideo takes your text and turns it into dynamic videos with stock media, text commands, and a drag-and-drop interface anyone can use. And Runway ML gives you the next-level power of pro video editing using nothing but AI. If you're still doing everything manually in Premiere or Final Cut, you're losing time, energy, and probably missing out on way more content opportunities. These tools are fast, smart, and scalable. And best of all, you can try them right now. Here's your action step. Click the links in the description to test out each tool. Most of them have free trials or free plans to get started. And if you want the full list of AI tools that will blow your mind, make sure to check out the bonus link below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the AI wave, and leave a comment letting me know which tool you're most excited to try. I'll be in the comments helping you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.